seek to impeach the Honorable Junet on the basis of his performance and that which is provided for under our Constitution. Honorable Speaker, it is easy to speak to the gallery, to speak to the media, Honorable Speaker, because the media are saying this and that. I have seen lawyers saying that members of parliament, if the 11, somebody tweeted that the 11 members times 5 million shillings is the basis on which this motion will be decided, Honorable Speaker. And it's a very senior counsel in this country, Honorable Speaker. It is shameful and unfortunate, Honorable Speaker, that a lawyer, an advocate of the High Court, a senior counsel, would be speaking to issues, Honorable Speaker, that any Kenyan who was watching the deliberations of this committee under the full glare of the public or of the media, Honorable Speaker, there was nothing that could be substantiated. The Honorable Wamboka could not substantiate anything, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, as I commend the Honorable Wamboka for his fortitude and to merit even to be able to push through a motion he knew was dead on arrival, since he could not substantiate, was based on newspaper cuttings and all the other rumors you hear in town, Honorable Speaker. At least he had the fortitude to push it on to the end. Honorable Wamboka, please next time I would urge you, let us stick to what is provided for by our standing orders, our own laws, and the Constitution of the Republic. If we do that, Honorable Speaker, this House and indeed Parliament will have teeth to bite. Otherwise, if we abuse the provisions of our Constitution to just collect signatures and sign signatures and push, Honorable Speaker, in an attempt maybe to blackmail or intimidate cabinet secretaries, we shall be rendering this House impotent, and that will be the end of Parliament, Honorable Speaker. I pray to God and urge members that next time we want to impeach a cabinet secretary, yes, let it be based on the law, the Constitution.
Order, Majority Leader. Yes, Ocheng, what's the point of order?
Mr. Speaker, I've been listening here today.
What's the point of order?
Mr. Speaker, is it in order for the Majority Leader to keep on referring to Honorable Wamboka as if he made a mistake to bring this particular motion? Because all through his speech, that was insinuating that it was a mistake for Honorable Wamboka bring this motion, Mr. Speaker. Is it in order that he does that?
First, I didn't understand it that way. And secondly, Honorable Wamboka made no mistake in exercising his right. Yes. And that's what Ichungwah said. All he said is that exercise much more care and bring more tangible evidence. That's what I heard him say. Yes. Order, honorable members. I promised five. It is done. I'll now call the next order. The matter is over. Call the next order. Your motion was penned. You moved, you replied. Yes. Next order.
Order number 12, Committee of the Whole House.
Order, honorable members, be upstanding. Honorable members.